Hi guys, so I wanted to go over in this video the machine that I like to use when I'm doing permanent makeup, and then also just show you guys what all comes with it, how the machine works, and how to set it up. So the box here, you can see this Mast Tour. I purchased mine from Amazon, but you can get it directly from their website. It's a rotary machine. It comes with the rotary and then the battery. So it comes in two parts. Also underneath it will come with some instructions. Comes with some instructions. It comes with a charger to make sure it gets charged, and then it comes with an adaptive cord. So this cord, it doesn't come with a power source, but if you want it to use a power source, that's what this cord is for. So I don't use that, I just use the wireless options. That's the reason I ordered this machine, is because there was no strings attached. So with this machine, you are going to put together, you see, you can just plug it in and you just put it together until it snaps. You can hear it kind of snap. Then I'm going to push this down here so I can show you guys the setup of the machine. So the Mast Tour, I ordered it in black, but I think they have it in red, black, and pink. This is how you turn it on. You just, at the top is a power button and you just want to hold it down until it turns on. Then you'll see settings. This particular machine has settings from 6 to 11. So it's at a 6 right now. Then you'll notice after you leave it for a couple seconds, it goes up. This is your battery life. Okay, so when I first got the machine, I thought, oh my gosh, it keeps changing from a 6 speed all the way to an 11, but that's not the case. That's the battery. If you want to check your speed, you can just click it once. See, it shows you again. If you want to go up a speed, you got to click it twice. So now it's at a speed 7, 8, 9, 11. And then the higher the speed, the faster that your machine is going to be pushing out the needle. So I generally work at like a 6 when I'm shading, but I want to show you guys how to set up your machine also. You're going to have your cord sleeve and put your machine right inside, like just like this. The cord machines, are these sleeve machines, are, sorry, I keep saying sleeve. These sleeves I ordered from Amazon. Some of them actually have a sealed end. These ones specifically don't. So this is how I set up. I actually just fold over the plastic, and then with your needle, with your cartridge, once you get it open, you can just poke a little hole in the top like this. Okay, just see how I did that? Just poke a hole and then kind of open it up. And you have a space to put in your cartridge. And then you're gonna put it in and you're gonna twist. And you twist that to the left. And then it's inside, okay? The next thing you want to do is take your bandage and you're going to put your bandage on here, or wrap it around, because your machine gets used multiple times, but everything else is disposable. Your cartridge is disposable, your cord sleeve is disposable, and then this will be disposable. So the only thing we're gonna reuse is their machine, so we gotta make sure that we do not contaminate it at all. So we want this a tight close. We're gonna hold one end of the bandage as we tightly wrap the bandage around the machine and the cartridge. And you don't need a lot of this bandage, just enough to make sure it's sealed and we're not getting any contamination on our machine. Another thing is your cords are usually very long. You literally can just rip it off like that. Okay, so the next thing I do want to show you guys is how to check your needle size. So I'm just gonna put it at a 7, and you flip your machine upside down. And the way to make this needle go up, let me see if you guys can see it, is literally you hold the handle part right here where your wrap is, and then you're gonna turn the battery, and you're just gonna turn it to the right. And the more you turn it to the right, you'll see that the needle is out further. And you only should be doing this while your machine is on, because when it's off, the needle should be going back in. So with your machine off, I want to see like your needle off, because you can prick yourself if it's poking out while it's on. So don't mess with your needle while it's off, because if you do have it poking out, once you turn your machine on, that length is really, really out there. You see how long that is? Generally, when I work, I like to do it at 2 millimeters, and that's really small. So you can compare it to the size of a penny when it's laying flat. So that's a good comparison if you're new at permanent makeup, but that's what size you want to work with your needle. And then if you're at that size, once you turn it off, it shouldn't be sticking out. So and pull it down a little bit, but that's how you can change the length of your needle. And then another thing is sometimes if your cartridge isn't in right, you'll hear a lot of rattling. You guys can hear that. So you want to make sure that it's in correctly. I'm going to turn it off and then just make sure I put it inside. If I can get it turned off. There we go. All right, that's the video.